So hello everyone, and once again welcome to my channel Madam Axe. So in today's video we'll be discussing about FDDI, which is Footwear Design and Development Institute. So we'll be discussing its bachelor course sample paper. So the sample paper of the bachelor's course offered at FDDI. So if you want all details about FDDI, that what kind of college it is and what are the courses offered here, what are the important dates, if you want to apply into this college, then you can visit the video which has been given in the description box. In that video, I have mentioned all the details about this fashion college. So in this video, we'll be solving the sample paper which has been given on the FDDI official website. From there, I have taken this sample paper. Then I'll be solving the general awareness and the business aptitude section basically in this video. So if you want the other parts also, like the verbal ability section, the quantitative aptitude section, then you can comment down below. Next is that you'll be getting an idea about the question paper and the pattern of FDDI exam. So if you are preparing for FDDI, so with the help of this video, you'll get to know about the pattern, that what kind of questions are asked in this entrance exam. So let's start with this important video, and please don't forget to subscribe this amazing channel and also follow me on Instagram. So now we'll be discussing the general awareness questions first. So the first question is, the well-known book The Rediscovery of India has been written by Dash. So they are asking the author of this book, The Rediscovery of India. Options are Arvind Adiga, Anita Desai, Meghnath Desai and Vikram Seth. The correct answer to this question is the third option, which is Meghnath Desai. So Meghnath Desai has authored this book, The Rediscovery of India. So from this you can get an idea that books and authors are also very important for this exam. So I've already made one video on books and authors. You can check the description, check the link in the description box and watch that very important video. Next is, Sultan Azlan Shah Cup is associated with the game of Dash. The options are football, cricket, badminton and hockey, and the correct answer to this question is the fourth option, which is hockey. Next question is, Dudhwa National Park is located in. So it is asking that where is this Dudhwa National Park is located in. Options are Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh and West Bengal. The correct answer is the second option, which is Uttar Pradesh. So in Uttar Pradesh, it is located in the Lakhimpur Kheri district. In case you are asked the district, then you should know, because this is a very famous national park. Next is, in which of the following states Hornbill Festival is organized every year in the month of December? So in which state this festival is organized? Options are Meghalaya, Goa, Manipur and Nagaland. The correct answer is fourth option, which is Nagaland. So you can also check out the video on important festivals which I have already made. The link is given in the description box. Next is, High Court of Uttarakhand is located at Dash. The options are Nainital, Dehradun, Haridwar and Pauri, and the correct answer is option 1, which is Nainital. Next is the sixth question, which is, bleaching powder is made from. Options are sulfur dioxide and gypsum. Second is chlorine and charcoal. Third is soda ash and lime, and the fourth option is lime and chlorine. The correct answer to this question is lime and chlorine. So now you must be getting an idea that what kind of questions from which topics they can be asked in the GK section. Next is, famous tourist spot Elephanta Caves, founded by Rashtrakutas, is located in. So in which of these places it is located in? Elephanta Caves, which is a very famous tourist spot. Options are Mumbai, Bhopal, Bhubaneswar and Pondicherry. Your answer will be first option, which is Mumbai. Next is from the polity section. If a minister of a state wants to resign, to whom he should address the letter of resignation? The options are: first is Chief Minister of State, second is Speaker of Vidhan Sabha, third is Governor of the state, and fourth is leader of his political party. The correct answer is the first option, which is Chief Minister of the state. Next question is related to geography. In which direction from Port Blair is Barren Island situated? So the options are: the first is north, second southwest, third is south, and the fourth is northeast. The correct answer is the fourth option, northeast. Then the 10th question is: which boundary line demarcates the boundaries of India and China? So you can see that boundary lines are also very important. So the options are: the first is 24th parallel, second is Radcliffe line, third is McMahon line, and fourth is Durand line. So the correct answer is the third option, which is McMahon line, which is the boundary line between India and China. So from this, you can get an idea that your questions were basically based on books and authors, then sports was there, then geography was there, and then we have, festivals were there. Then also High Court of Uttarakhand, this was there. This is from the polity section. Then we have from science also, that is chemistry. From chemistry we had a question. Then this is also from geography. Then again polity, and then again geography, and then again geography. So basically in GK we have seen here that your geography and polity sections were asked in numbers. A lot of questions were there, but others also, in other areas also, you have to work very hard, because in GK there is no prescribed or limited syllabus. You have to go through everything. Now next we'll come to the business aptitude section. In this section we basically have questions related to the business industry and the fashion industry. So the first question is: West Side Stores, which is an enterprise of dash. So it belongs to which group? The first option is Raymond, second is Tata, third is Aditya Birla Group, and fourth is none of these. So the correct answer is going to be second option, which is Tata's. Next question is: KLM Airlines belongs to which country? Options are France, Netherlands, Australia, and Germany. So the correct answer to this question is the second option, which is the Netherlands. Next we have: the luxury chain Vivanta Hotels and Resorts is a brand owned by. So your options are Ashok Group, Taj Group, Bharat Hotels, and Oberoi Group. So the correct answer of this Vivanta Hotels and Resorts is Taj Group, the second option. Next we have IRDA stands for. Options are Indian Rural Development Authority, option B Insurance Regulations and Development Authority, option C Insurance Rules and Deciding Authority, and then we have Insurance Regulatory Development Authority. So the correct answer is fourth one, which is Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority. So you can insert an and here between regulatory and development. Next we have Inspire the Next is the punchline of which company? So your options are Lenovo, Dell, Hitachi, and Sony. The correct answer is Hitachi. So I've already made a video on the famous taglines of various brands. You can check out all these videos in the playlists of important fashion GK videos. So all these videos you'll get in the description box. Next is: what does the www in any website address stand for? This is a very easy question. First is World Wide Web, second is World Wide World, third is Web Wide World, and fourth is Web Wide World. So the correct answer is World Wide Web, the first option. Next we have Zodiac is a leading Indian brand of. So it is asking the category of Zodiac. So Zodiac belongs to India only. You should remember this. So the first option is menswear, second jewelry, third is home furnishing, and fourth is watches. So the correct answer is menswear. Then we have Maggi, the famous food product brand belongs to which company? So all the Maggie lovers must be knowing this very simple question. And then the options here we have is Hindustan Unilever Limited, Nestle, Parle, and none of these. So the correct answer is Nestle. Next we have the more mega store retail chain belongs to which industry? Options are Reliance Industry, Bharti Enterprises, Aditya Birla Group, and none of these. So the correct answer is third option, which is Aditya Birla Group. Next we have D-Decor, the well-known international brand in fabrics and textures, is endorsed by which Bollywood couple? So they are asking basically the brand ambassador of D-Decor. Options are Sanjay Dutt and Manyata. Option B, Shah Rukh Khan and Gauri. Option C, Saif Ali Khan and Karishma Kapoor. And option D, Abhishek Bachchan and Aishwarya Rai. So the correct answer here is Shah Rukh Khan and Gauri. So I've already made a video on brand ambassadors. You can watch all these videos in the Fashion GK playlist, which I'll put the links in the description box. So from this business aptitude section, we can conclude that your groups, the stores to which these groups do these stores belongs, this is very important. Then your hotel chains are also very important. Then some of the few these organizations we have, the full forms of these organizations is important. Then your taglines and punchlines are important. Then we have another, fashion brands, they want to know the category also. So categories are important, the countries to which these brands belong, that is also very important. So basically everything is important here, but from this at least you are getting an idea what kind of questions will be there. Then your brand ambassadors are also important. So hope this video will be helpful for all the FDDI 2021 aspirants. If you want another part of this video, if you want me to solve the verbal ability, quantitative aptitude, etc. of both bachelor's and master's courses of FDDI, then do let me know in the comments sections. So if you really liked the video, please hit the like button and also subscribe this amazing channel, which is going to help you a lot for all your fashion entrance exams in India. So thank you everyone for watching the video. Happy learning.